Could Apple be preparing to launch a major redesign with the iPhone 17? Recent leaks have hinted that Apple might be rethinking its familiar iPhone design, particularly focusing on the camera. What if the iPhone 17 comes with a new camera bar similar to the one seen in Google's Pixel phones? This new design could signal a fresh direction for Apple, and fans are wondering, could this be the change that the iPhone series needs? By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. The excitement surrounding the iPhone 17 began back in November when rumors first suggested that the iPhone 17 Pro could feature a new camera design. These rumors were supported by subsequent leaks, including one from the supply chain, which showcased a horizontal camera bar on the back of the phone. This is a significant departure from the vertical camera arrays we've seen on previous iPhone models. What makes these leaks even more intriguing is that tipster Majin Buu recently posted images of what might be two prototypes of the iPhone 17 featuring this very horizontal camera bar. But there's more. These leaked prototypes appear to have a single rear camera, which hints that they could be part of the iPhone 17 Air model. This would make sense, as the Air model is expected to feature just one rear camera, unlike the Pro models. But, as is often the case with leaks, it's important to be cautious. There have been conflicting reports about whether Apple will indeed move forward with this design change. Some reports suggest that Apple is still testing out different ideas and could choose a larger rectangular camera bump, as hinted by the information. It's also possible that Apple is trying to combine the best of both worlds, something that offers both form and function. The leaked images are somewhat blurry, so it's difficult to say for sure if they represent the final design. But if they do reflect the iPhone 17 Air, the phone is said to be just 5.5 millimeters thick. For comparison, the iPhone 16 is 7.8 millimeters thick. If Apple pulls this off, the iPhone 17 Air could be one of the slimmest iPhones we've seen in years. Majin Buu isn't always right, but the number of leaks we've seen over the past few months strongly suggests that Apple is planning a major design overhaul for the iPhone 17 series. This is exciting news for Apple fans who have been longing for something fresh. Even if the final product turns out to be different from the leaks, just the idea of a redesigned iPhone is enough to spark excitement. It's clear that Apple is exploring new ways to improve the iPhone and make it stand out in a crowded market. But the camera system isn't the only area where the iPhone 17 could see significant changes. Reports also suggest that the Pro models might feature a smaller dynamic island. For those who aren't familiar, the dynamic island is the pill-shaped cutout at the top of the iPhone that houses the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. This feature has been a part of the iPhone since the iPhone 14, but it looks like Apple could make it even smaller on the iPhone 17 Pro. Additionally, the side rails of the Pro models might be redesigned, offering a new look and feel. These design changes would not only make the iPhone 17 more visually appealing, but could also improve the overall user experience, making the phone easier and more comfortable to hold. Apple's design changes focus on both aesthetics and functionality. If the leaks are true, the iPhone 17 Air could be slimmer at just 5.5 millimeters, redefining phone thickness and portability. We might also see better camera performance, especially with a single camera system, thanks to Apple's advancements in computational photography for improved low-light performance and enhanced image processing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
What happens when a major tech company accidentally reveals its hand too soon? That's exactly what happened with Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. A promotional video for the highly anticipated smartphone leaked and caused quite a stir before being quickly taken down at the company's request. But as with anything on the internet, once it's out there, it's hard to erase. The video is still making the rounds on social media, giving us a sneak peek at Samsung's next big thing, artificial intelligence. Samsung appears to be leaning heavily on AI for its Galaxy S25, much like Apple has done with its latest iPhone. The centerpiece of the promo was the new improved Bixby, now enhanced with large language model capabilities. It also teased exclusive Google Gemini features that industry insiders suggest could put Apple to shame. The promise of an AI-powered assistant that truly gets you was a key selling point, aimed at making the phone not just smart, but intuitive and personal. However, not everyone is convinced that these AI features are revolutionary. Sure, the video showcased some useful tools, like improved nighttime video recording and the ability to filter out specific sounds in videos. These are cool, but they aren't exactly groundbreaking. The main feature promoted was an AI assistant that could answer everyday questions and provide personalized insights like finding pet-friendly Italian restaurants with outdoor seating. While convenient, It's not necessarily something that feels groundbreaking in the realm of smartphone technology. For many, this type of functionality is something they would still prefer to get from personal recommendations or online reviews. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. It's possible that the leaked promo didn't reveal all the tricks up Samsung's sleeve. Some speculate that the company might be planning to roll out additional AI features in later updates after the release of One UI 7. This strategy wouldn't be surprising, as it mirrors Apple's approach of gradually releasing new features over time. On the hardware front, the Galaxy S25 seems to offer more of the same. The leaked information suggests that battery capacity, charging speeds, cameras, and displays will remain consistent with the previous generation. The major hardware upgrade appears to be the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises substantial performance improvements over its predecessors. This could make the S25 series one of the most powerful smartphones available in 2025, even if the other hardware specs don't see significant changes. So what does this mean for potential buyers? If you're someone who is excited about the latest AI advancements, the Galaxy S25 could be an exciting option. But if AI isn't a big selling point for you, this generation might not offer enough new features to justify an upgrade. The performance gains from the new chipset could still make it a compelling choice, especially for those who prioritize speed and efficiency in their devices. The Galaxy S25 series is likely to be one of the best smartphones of 2025, even if the leaked promo didn't set the world on fire. Whether you decide to upgrade or not might come down to how much value you place on the AI capabilities and the overall performance improvements. One thing's for sure, Samsung has everyone talking, and that's always a win in the tech world. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We'll see you in the next video. Could the Galaxy S25 be the future of smartphones? With the official launch just around the corner, rumors and leaks are already making waves in the tech world. This next-generation device promises to bring cutting-edge features and incredible advancements powered by artificial intelligence. Well, what exactly can you expect from Samsung's latest flagship? Let's take a closer look at some of the standout innovations that could redefine the way you use your phone. One of the most exciting new features of the Galaxy S25 series is its AI-powered video editing capabilities. Samsung has introduced a tool called Circle to Search, which will change the way you interact with videos. This feature allows you to quickly search for tagged people within a video, streamlining the editing process and saving you time. In addition, it allows you to capture still images from any video recorded on your phone. Imagine being able to extract high-quality stills from a memorable moment without having to pause or edit the video yourself. This means more efficiency for creators and better quality for those looking to capture important moments. Another feature that stands out is the AI Select tool, which allows you to extract specific segments of a video and turn them into GIFs. While this feature may seem familiar, Samsung's version is designed to be more intuitive and efficient, ensuring that your GIFs come out with higher quality and better ease of use. Whether you want to share a funny moment or capture a quick action sequence, this tool makes it simple to create professional-looking results. The convenience and ease with which you can now create these GIFs could make this feature a go-to for those who love sharing short snippets from videos. The Galaxy S25 also comes with an enhanced version of Samsung's Call Assist feature, which already offers real-time audio translation. This upgrade takes it a step further by expanding language support to include 20 additional languages, doubling the current capabilities. With this expanded language support, Samsung ensures that communication across language barriers becomes easier, whether you're traveling or working in a global environment. This addition will make the Galaxy S25 a must-have device for anyone who frequently interacts with people from different cultures or regions. But it doesn't end there. Samsung is bringing even more AI-driven tools to the table. Innovations like Homework AI and Music Search are expected to make their debut on the Galaxy S25. Homework AI is designed to assist students with their academic tasks, offering support in organizing and completing assignments more efficiently. For students, this could be a game changer as it could help streamline their study routines and improve productivity. Meanwhile, Music Search will enhance the way you discover and interact with music on your device, offering a more personalized experience that adapts to your music preferences. Samsung has also introduced enhanced automation with its new enhanced routines. These improvements will allow your phone to predict your needs and adjust settings accordingly, making your everyday tasks simpler and more convenient. From adjusting the brightness to setting reminders at the right time, the Galaxy S25 will be able to anticipate your actions and adapt in real time. The integration of Gemini AI into apps like Samsung Calendar, Samsung Notes, and Samsung Reminder further enhances your device's ability to organize your day. This means managing your schedule and staying on top of important tasks will become much smoother as the phone learns how to best assist you. If you're as excited as we are to see what Samsung has in store with the Galaxy S25, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. We'll be bringing you in-depth looks at the new features and keeping you informed about everything you need to know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.